Established in 1980, China Harbour Engineering Company Limited, CHEC, is one of the pioneering enterprises in China to conduct international engineering businesses. As an overseas platform of China Communications Construction Company Limited, CCCC, a global Fortune 500 company, CHEC explores overseas markets on behalf of the CCCC and has established branches in more than 90 countries around the world, conducting businesses in over 100 countries and regions. As an international top-tier engineering contractor, investment operator, urban developer, and ecological manager, CHEC adheres to its philosophy, value orientation, and commits itself to upgrading of platform plus industrial leading strategy. CHEC enjoys complete industrial chain advantages and boasts strong resource integration capabilities in such fields as ports, buildings, roads and bridges, rails, comprehensive urban development, environmental protection, pipe networks, and green power. It has mastered core technologies such as offshore deep water ports, offshore islands, long-span bridges, gauntleted track railways, and high-rise buildings, and is able to provide its global clients with packaged solutions and integrated services of investment and financing, consulting and planning, design and construction, and management and operation. Moreover, it has successfully promoted a large number of high-quality projects around the world. CHEC is a world-leading service provider of the whole value chain of ports. It has built a number of large-scale ports globally. These include Shanghai Yangshan Port, the world's largest offshore deep water port and largest container port, Doha New Port in Qatar, a dug-in port with the longest frontage that was built at one time in the history of port construction in the world, Abidjan Port in Côte d'Ivoire, the largest port in West Africa, and Ashdod Port, a vital gateway port of Israel. CHEC has a dredging fleet with the largest total installed power in the world, enabling it to undertake dredging and reclamation under difficult conditions. It has successfully completed numerous prestigious projects like the artificial island of the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge, the third runway of the Hong Kong International Airport, and has provided a convenient, environmentally friendly, reliable, and brand new solution to the formation of global offshore land. Building construction is also one of the main businesses of China Harbour. CHEC has a leading edge in super high-rise buildings, prefabricated buildings, stadium construction, and other fields. For instance, the new Lisboa Hotel in Macau, constructed by CHEC, has become a landmark building of Macau. The Hambantota International Cricket Stadium in Sri Lanka, constructed by CHEC, successfully hosted the 2011 Cricket World Cup. In addition, the Macau Boundary Crossing Facilities Management Area of the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge, constructed by CHEC, was awarded the ENR Global Excellent Port Project Award. CHEC has an abundance of successful experience in building roads and bridges in cities, mountains, oceans, and under harsh geological conditions like deserts, marshes, and plateaus. For example, CHEC has built a number of world-renowned bridges such as Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge, PMB Bridge in Brunei, and the second Penang Sea Crossing Bridge in Malaysia, for which CHEC was awarded the Brunel Award by the Institution of Civil Engineers in Britain. CHEC has constructed road projects in many countries, such as the Southern Transport Development Project in Sri Lanka, Qatar East Corridor, and Colombia Mar 2 Road, which have greatly promoted the local economic and social development. CHEC has participated in the construction of more than 60 railways both domestically and abroad, as well as some urban rail transit projects, like the ones in Hong Kong, Macau, Singapore, and Kuala Lumpur. These railways include the intelligent Beijing-Zhangjiakou high-speed railway, which was built to guarantee the successful hosting of Beijing 2022 Winter Olympics, the Harbin-Dalian high-speed railway, which was built at a severe cold region with the highest construction standards, the East Coast Rail Link in Malaysia, which is the largest ongoing overseas project constructed by Chinese enterprises, the ongoing Mexico-Maya Railway along the Mayan Railways. Adhering to the concept of building, operating, and developing cities, CHEC has successfully completed world-class comprehensive urban development projects such as Colombo Port City in Sri Lanka and The Grand in Los Angeles, USA. Thus, it has a wealth of experience in urban planning, construction and development, industry import, operation management, and other fields. CHEC is not only an active participant in green development, but also an important contributor and leader in environmental protection engineering like solid waste management, water environment comprehensive treatment, and soil restoration. CHEC has carried out large environmental protection projects such as Hong Kong Integrated Waste Treatment Facilities and Singapore Integrated Waste Treatment Facilities, and has been continuously contributing to global environmental governance and ecological improvement. By vigorously expanding its pipe network business and integrating resources in design, construction, operation, and maintenance, CHEC is capable of providing customers with mature and reliable integrated solutions for intelligent pipe network. CHEC has actively developed such green power businesses as hydropower, wind power, and PV power. It has implemented projects like the Elan Taver Combined Cycle Power Plant in Israel and the offshore wind power station in Vietnam, and has been continuously promoting the transformation of energy structure to green and low-carbon energy. With a strong resource integration ability, global network advantages, top partner resources, powerful investment and financing strength, and rich project implementation experience, CHEC can provide integrated solutions of investment, management, construction, operation, and exit to meet various infrastructure development needs of global clients. CHEC has owned a large number of high-quality operating assets with total value over billions of US dollars around the world, covering many industrial fields such as ports, infrastructure, comprehensive urban development, energy. In Jamaica, CHEC invested $700 million US dollars in the construction and operation of the Jamaica North-South Expressway, opening up the main north-south traffic artery in Jamaica. In Nigeria, CHEC invested $1.1 billion US dollars in the construction and operation of the Lekki Port, which will inject strong impetus to Nigeria's economic development. In Malaysia, CHEC invested $300 million US dollars in the development and operation of the Kuantan International Logistics Industrial Park, and built a port railway park industrial ecological chain, which will significantly promote infrastructure connectivity and unimpeded trade between China and Malaysia. In Sri Lanka, CHEC has invested $1.4 billion US dollars in the construction and development of Colombo Port City, which will become Sri Lanka's commercial, cultural, and financial center, as well as the real future city of South Asia. It is also renowned as one of the 5 new cities affecting the future in the world. In Colombia, CHEC is participating in the investment, construction, and operation of the Bogota Metro Line 1 with the total contract value of more than $5 billion. This project is the largest franchise project in Latin America, which will transform the long-held dream of Bogota citizens into reality. Guided by the Belt and Road Initiative, CHEC is upholding its notion of pricing as the core of marketing and is striving to balance among the client's willingness to accept, company's reasonable profit, and social responsibilities. Aiming at high standard, sustainability, and benefiting the people, CHEC would like to develop along with host countries. By sharing leading technologies with them, improving infrastructure, cultivating the employees, creating jobs, ensuring economic prosperity, protecting the environment, and fulfilling our social responsibilities, CHEC will contribute to building a community with a shared future for mankind.